Okay, student, today we'll learn mathematics part 1 standard 10. Miscellaneous problem given miscellaneous problem 6. That is problem set 6, page number 164. First problem first. Given 40% of blood group, okay. We have defined angle. Formula you know. Theta is equal to central angle is, what is the formula? Central angle is equal to that score number of score upon total into 360. Okay. So here theta is equal to 40 and 40%. Okay. Mean is equal to 40 and 100 is total. Okay. So 100 into 360. That's it. Find it. I think option D. Okay. Now let's do next one. Second problem. We have to find this. Okay. Angle is given. Cement expenditure is 45,000. We have to find total. Okay. It is given. Central angle is given total. You know the formula. Central central angle theta is expenditure on cement upon total expenditure into 360. Okay. Central angle is 75 degree. Expenditure is 45,000. Total you don't know. Take it as total into 360. Bring it here. Therefore, total is 45 into 0, 0. Break it into two parts and bring it 75 into 360. Okay. I think you can cancel it in 5 tables or break it more. It will become 5 into 1, 25, 15. Okay. And 5 into 9. 3 into 3, 3 into 5. That you write it one more time. Break it into, split it. Okay. So that you get 2 into 3, 6 into 36 upon, so that will be how much? Calculate 36 into 6. Option A. Okay. So option A is correct. Now let's do next one. Third problem. Cumulative frequency. Given means it will be median. Okay. Cumulative frequency median. That's all you have to select. Then fourth one is given. Y is equal to xi plus j upon g. Xi minus a upon g. And a minus xi upon g. Okay. But we know the formula ui is equal to dA upon g. That is equal to xi minus a upon g. Okay. That is fitting here. Option C. Okay. Now let's do for this one. Fifth problem. Okay. You have to find median where it is lying. Okay. Median class. That you can do very fast. Okay. Write it very fast. calculate cumulative frequency. Okay. And calculate 11 into 12, how much? 23, 43, 50. Add up 50. Okay. So n is 50. So n by 2 is 50 by 2. 25. Where it is fitting? It is fitting in this. This is the median class. Okay. This is answer. Because that is the median class. Okay, next problem. Sixth problem. Okay. We have to just find for this class. Okay. We have to find the point. Take class mark. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. So what is the point we get? Okay. Therefore, point is 5, 8. Okay. So this is the answer for this. Next time we will do second problem. Okay. Okay. Today we will learn mathematics part 1, standard 10. This one is problem 6. Page 165. Second problem, you have to find mean. Okay. Second problem. First we'll calculate class mark. Okay. Class mark you have to find. You have to add the divide by 2. Okay. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. Okay. But it is time consuming. We can use logic. Okay. And take 20 and 30. Take 5 from here. Okay. Take 5 from here. It will become 25. So it will take time. It is easy method. Take 5 from here. Balance that you can write it here. Okay. Or you have to write like this, 50 by 2. Okay. And that you will get 25. Plus 30 divided by 2 is 50 by 2. That is 25. Okay. But you can use this method. Okay. Borrow from here 5. It will become 25. It will become 5. Okay. So you can use this method. Okay. So you get 25 here. Okay. Now next one is 35 for this. It will be 45, 55, 65, 75. Okay. Now you have to calculate Fix. Means 10 into 25. You get 250. 11 into 35. Okay. That to calculate. It will get 385. Then 15 into 45. Okay. So you have to calculate like that. Okay, so it is 11 into 35. It will become 15 into 45. That to do here. Okay. Do here and find it. Next one is 16 and 55. That to do it here and find. Okay. $18 into 65. So that will be 1170. 14 into 75. Okay. So that is 1050. Okay, now use always direct method unless it is specified in the paper. Okay, we'll use direct method. I have to take total, means you have to add it. Okay, add all summation of fi, add it. Okay, that you will get. And here also add all this summation of fi x. Add it. Okay. Now use the formula. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation of fi upon summation of fi. That is this 4410 upon 84. Okay. So that will become 441 into 10 upon 84. Okay. This part we will do there. 441 into 10 upon 84. 441 is 21 into 21 into 10 upon 84. 21 into 21 is 441. Okay. So split it. Then I can cut it. It is 7 into 3. 3 into 28. 7 into 4. Okay. Now write what is remaining, right? 21 into 10 upon 4. 2 into 2, 2 into. Okay. 21 into 5, calculate 21 into 5. 105, okay. So 105 divided by 2. 2 into 5, 10. Bring it down. Okay, you get 52.5. ₹1,000 is given. You have to multiply, okay? That is equal to 52.5 into 1,000. Okay, that will do it here. 52.5 into 1,000. 3.123. So 52520. Okay. So that is equal to 52500 rupees. So this is the answer for this. I hope you got this. Next we'll do next problem. Third problem. Loan is given, number of farm ponds are given, you have to find the mean. Okay. We use direct method. Okay. So first we'll calculate class mark for this. Okay. Borrow 5. Okay. Take 5. Become 45. 45. So that will write it here. Here it will become 55. 65. 75. 85. Okay. First step. Very simple. I have to multiply this. Okay. Because xi 13 into 45. Okay. Do it here. Find. Okay. Find it. 20 into 55. 1100. 24 into 65. Okay. And 36 into 75. 2700. 7 into 85, 595. Okay. Now you have to add it. Summation of fx, I mean you have to add it. Okay. Add all, you will get 100. Okay. Next, you add this. Okay. That will get 6540. That to put it in the formula, direct method. Okay. So summation of x is equal to 6540. This is 100. Okay. Cancel this. Divide by 10. Because 0 is there, point will come here. Point. 65.4. Okay. But here 1000 is given. ₹1,000. Meaning you have to multiply. So here 1000 is given, okay? 1000, that we write it here. So multiply 65.4 into 1000. That will do it here. Or this point will go like this, 1, 2, 3, because 3 zeros is there. Because 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 0. That's all, rupees. So this is the final answer, okay? 65400. I hope you got this. Next we'll do next problem. Yes. Okay, next problem. Page 166. Fourth problem. Fourth. That would. First we'll calculate class marks from this. Okay. So I can borrow 1000 from him. So that will become 1000 and 1000. Okay. So I can write it here 1000. And for this, $2,000 and $4,000. Borrow 1000. That will become 3000. 3000. Write it here. Similarly, you get here 5000. You get here 7000. Okay. So first you got this. Now you have to multiply this. F into x. This into this. 15 into 1000. 15000. 35 into 3000. Calculate this. Okay. Okay. So write this part. And put 1, 2, 3. 3 0 is there. Okay. Now take this. 50 into 5000. 5 into 5. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now take this. 20 into 7000. 2 into 7. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you have to add it. This part you have to add it. First we'll add this. Okay. You add this. Now add this. Okay. After that, you have to just use this formula for direct method. Use it. 51000 divided by 120. This is cut this. Write it. Okay, now just write it. 5 and split it and write 1000 upon 12. Okay. It will go in 3 table. It will go in 3 table. 4 into 3. 3 into 1, 17. Okay. That will write 17 into 100 into 10. Split this into 4. 4 into 25. That we calculate there. Okay. 25 into 17. So you get 4, 2, 5 and 1 0 is remaining. So this is the answer for this. I hope you got this. Next we'll do next problem. Okay, now we'll do fifth problem. First we calculate class mark. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can follow any method. Method 1, you have to add it, divide by 2. But it is time consuming, you have to add all. It is shortcut method. Okay. You have to just borrow 5, you will get. Okay. It is this method. Here it will become 65. Here 75. 85. 95. Okay. Now you have to multiply fi xi here. Okay. 7 into 55. Try to do it and find it. Okay. Okay. Next one, 13 into 65. 20 into 75. 6 into 85. 4 into 95. Okay, now you got all the values. I have to add it. Okay. Add. Okay. Add this part also. Add it. Add. Okay. Okay, put it here. 3620 upon 50. Cut this. It will become 362 upon 5. Okay. Now that is 1000 rupees. So that is equal to 362 5 into 1000. That we calculate here. 362 into 2. That will become 724 and 0.00 rupees. So this is the answer for this. I hope you got this. Next we'll do median. So we'll do sixth problem. Find median. Okay. The class is continuous. Okay. Class is continuous. So there is no need to convert into continuous because this is same 210, 210, 220, 220. So there is no need to change frequency gain. We have to find cumulative frequency less than type for median. Okay. First we will find this. 40. 40 plus 60. Okay. 100 plus 80. That's 180 plus 50. You will get 230. This 230 plus 20, 250. Add it. Okay. It will come 250. It must match, okay, or it is wrong. You should get 250 here, 250, 250, okay. So this is nothing but summation of Fi is equal to n is 250. Therefore, n by 2 is equal to 250 upon 2, that you will get 125. Check where it is fitting, okay. It will fit here. Okay. Sorry, it will fit here, okay, not here. 125 will fit here. Because it cannot fit here, so it will fit here, okay. So this is the median class, okay. Okay, so this is L. Okay, we got median class. This is L. L is equal to 220. And this is F. F is equal to 80. And this top one is cumulative frequency. Okay. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 100. We got n by 2. N by 2 is 125. We want H. Okay. That H is equal to, take this class, 230 minus 220. 10. So that is 10. Okay. Now we got all the values. अब ये वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे. L is 220. N by 2 is given 125. CF is 100. F is 80. And height is, width is given 10. That will become 220 plus 125 minus 125 upon 80 into 10. Cut this. Okay. Now I will divide it. Take this. Okay. Now here 10, 1. Okay. So that value you get it here, that you put it here. That will become 220 plus 3.125. I have to add it, okay. 220.000, 3.125. 521,223. That we write it here, okay. We got 223.125 kilometer is here. Kilometer. So this is the final answer, okay? Now let's do next one. Okay, I can round it, okay? Round it. Take one from here. Okay? This is also right, this is also right. Okay. Now we'll do next problem. Now we'll do 7th, okay? So this is given class frequency, you have to find cumulative frequency. Less than type. First we will find that, okay? Before that we can add it, okay? We'll add it, see how much it is coming. If we add it, it will come 400, okay? Add all. Now cumulative frequency, take 140, then add this, 140 plus 100, you get 240. Now the 240 plus 80, okay? 240 plus 80, that is 320, and 320 plus 60, you get 380, put it here, and 380 plus 20, that you will get 400, okay? Matching means no problem, okay? So it is correct. Okay. Now let's calculate n by 2. N by 2 is 400 upon 2, that is 200. It will fit here. Okay. So this is the median class, okay? So we got this. This is the median class, you write median class 20 to 40. So this is L, this is F, and that top above is cumulative frequency. So we put, now we write the value, okay? L is equal to 20, F is 100, CF is 140, and class width you can find it from here. 40 minus 20, 20 you will get. Okay. Now we have all the values. We have to put it here. Okay, that's it. L is 20 plus n by 2 is given. N by 2 is 200. CF is 140. F is 100 into width is 20. Okay. That will become 20 plus 200 minus 140. Do it here. Okay. 200 minus 140. You get 60. 60 upon 100 into 20. 0, 2 into 5, 5 into 12. So 20 plus 12, that is 32. Okay. And your rupees is given. That's all, 32 rupees. Okay. Very simple. Now let's do next one. Okay. You can take it like this, less than 20. Okay. Now you can 0 to 20. This is the class. Okay. Now let's do next one. Okay, do 8 problem. We have to find mode. Okay. Data is given. For finding mode, first step, find maximum frequency. Okay. Find it. Okay. Okay. So that is 16. So take this one as F1 and below that we take it as F2 and top above we take it as F0. Okay. Now this is the modal class. Okay. because we got this, that's why modal class is equal to 250 and okay, got modal class. Okay. Now this is L. L is 250. And we can find F1, we can write F0, 10. F1 is 60. F2 is 25. And width you can get from here, modal class. Width is 500 minus 250. That is 250. Okay. That we write it here. 500 minus 250. We got all values, you have to just put it. Okay. So that is equal to L is 250 plus F1 is 60 minus 10 divided by 2 into 60, 2 into F1 minus F1 is, sorry, okay, this is the formula. So F0 is 10, F2 is 25 into width is 250. Okay. Now we calculate this part. Okay, 250 plus 60 minus 10, 50. It will become 120. You have to add it. 10 plus 25, 35 minus 35 into 250. Okay. Now we subtract this. 120 minus 35. Okay. 11, 10, 5. So that will become 85. Okay, so we will write it 250 plus 50 upon 85 into 250. Okay. I will cut this. Okay. It will go on 5 table, I think. 5 into 50 and it will go in this 70. Okay. That will become 250 plus for 5 into 5, 25, 0, 0 divided by 70. That we divided here. Okay. So 17 into 4. It won't go again 10, 0. I think I stop it here. Okay. So I'll put that value here. Okay. That we added there. Okay. Say gram with me. Gram. Okay, so this is the final answer for you. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we will do histogram.